Welcome back, guys. Today's recipe is deep fried shrimps, and was very thankful because Mr. Erwan Heussaff complimented this plating. Wow. We need to prepare the shrimps, paprika, garlic salt powder, onion powder, peppercorn, 1 egg, and flour. If you want the full ingredients, please see the description box below. Into the bowl, add 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 egg, and garlic salt powder 1 teaspoon, onion powder 1 teaspoon, paprika 1 teaspoon, and peppercorn 1 teaspoon. Then you have to incorporate all until totally mixed. Normally the mix is dry, so you need to add water until you achieve the consistency you desire. Then mix until you cannot see any lumps. And now, this is ready for coating. Naturally, when the shrimps are dead, they occur like this, curved position. So, we need to score through or make some partial slices so that we will straighten the shrimp. Just like this. Now we need to heat the pan and add some oil, just enough to submerge the shrimps. When the pan is ready, we need to coat the shrimp into our batter and start to deep fry. When deep frying, do not overload the pan so that the oil temperature will remain. Deep fry for 3 to 5 minutes or wait until you reach the golden brown color. So when it turns into brownish color, it is done. So you need to remove from the pan and put it into a paper towel to drain some excess oil. Then deep fry the remaining batches. This segment is optional. If you want your shrimp to be more crispy, you need to fry it again. Just like this. Wow, look at that! Our homemade Crispylicious and Yummylicious deep fried shrimps. Yum! If you like this video guys, feel free to comment, compliment, then subscribe and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye bye!